everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing good at your home. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make theme divider and new theme. So let's see. So first please select any four colors and save it. So the edit is ready and now this is the paper I used. Take a screenshot of it, and that's all for today. I hope it helped you. Materials I used and apps link in the description. Meet you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.